All right, welcome back to Nerd Chic. I'm so glad you could join me today. To all my nerdy friends who love the movie series Back to the Future, if that takes you back in time and you want to have a little fun with me, let's look at a fun trick. You're going to go to Google and just so you're at Google, simply search O'Reilly Auto Parts. There it is, O'Reilly Auto Parts. You'll see the website come up. When it does, let's go into the actual website. And inside the website, you're going to search on O'ReillyAuto.com 121G. You're just going to quick search that. Guys, look at that. 121G pulls up none other than the flux capacitor. So for all you Back to the Future fans out there, here's the wonderful news. You can order your flux capacitor today, part number 121G, line EB. Details, product information, gigawatts, 121, material compatibility, plutonium, working speed, 88 miles per hour, maximum power, 121 gigawatts. Applications for this product, modifications, time travel, quantity one, detailed description, time travel at your own risk. Plutonium is required to properly operate the flux capacitor. Plutonium is used by the onboard nuclear reactor, which then powers the flux capacitor to provide the needed 1.21 gigawatts or gigawatts of electrical power, as they said in the movie. Plutonium not available and O'Reilly Auto Parts. Please contact your local plutonium supplier. Flux capacitor requires a stainless steel body of a 1981 to 1983 DeLorean DMC-12 to properly function. One of my good friends had one of those guys. I'm just saying. Once the time machine travels at 88 miles per hour, which is approximately 142 kilometers per hour, light coming from the flux capacitor pulses until it becomes a steady stream of light, at which point time travel begins. Non-functional item displayed for entertainment purposes only. But anyway, isn't that fun? So if you're out there and you're a Back to the Future fan and you just want to show your kids something cute or fun, you want to have fun, all you have to do to have a little bit of fun today is show them O'ReillyAutoParts.com 121G search the flux capacitor. Well, I hope this has made your day. If you've had fun with me today, give me a thumbs up and a great comment in here, and I will show you more nerdy reveals on websites and social media and all over the place just like this. You guys have fun and be careful. You may end up way back in the beginning messing up your mom and dad's dating life. All right, y'all have a good one.